Welcome to this tutorial on Kotlin Multiplatform. Kotlin Multiplatform is an exciting technology that enables developers to write code once and run it across multiple platforms. Whether you're targeting Android, iOS, web applications, or desktop systems, Kotlin Multiplatform provides a unified approach to cross-platform development. In this series, we'll explore how this powerful technology works and how you can leverage it to build efficient, scalable applications. So, what exactly is Kotlin Multiplatform? It's a technology that allows you to share code across multiple platforms while maintaining the ability to write platform-specific code when needed. This means you can write your core business logic once in Kotlin, and that same code can be used on Android, iOS, JavaScript-based web applications, and native desktop platforms. The key advantage here is that you're not locked into writing everything in a generic way. When you need to access platform-specific features, or APIs, Kotlin Multiplatform gives you the flexibility to do so. Kotlin Multiplatform supports three major platform targets. First, there's the JVM platform, which covers Android applications, server-side development, and desktop applications running on the Java virtual machine. Second, there's JavaScript, which allows you to build web applications and Node.js server applications. And third, there's Native, which compiles to native binaries for iOS, macOS, Linux, and Windows. This wide platform support means you can truly write once and deploy everywhere, making Kotlin Multiplatform an incredibly versatile choice for modern application development. A Kotlin Multiplatform project is organized into two main parts. First, you have the common code section. This is where you place your business logic, data models, algorithms, and any code that can be shared across all platforms. Think of this as the heart of your application, the code that remains the same regardless of whether you're running on Android or iOS. Second, you have platform-specific code. This is where you implement user interfaces, access platform-specific APIs, and integrate native features that are unique to each target platform. This structure allows you to maximize code reuse while still maintaining the flexibility to leverage platform-specific capabilities when necessary. Let's look at a simple example of common code. Here we have a greeting class defined in the common main Kotlin directory. This class contains a function called greet that returns a string saying, "Hello from Kotlin Multiplatform." Notice that this code doesn't contain any platform-specific references. It's pure Kotlin code that will work on any platform. This class could be placed in your common source set, and then both your Android and iOS applications could use this exact same code without any modifications. This demonstrates the power of code sharing in Kotlin Multiplatform. One of the most powerful features of Kotlin Multiplatform is the expect-actual mechanism. This mechanism enables platform-specific implementations while maintaining a common interface. The expect-actual pattern allows you to define what functionality you expect to exist in the common code, and then provide actual platform-specific implementations for each target. This is particularly useful when you need to access platform APIs or features that don't have a common abstraction, such as file systems, network implementations, or user interface components. Let's see how this works in practice. First, in your common code, you declare an expect function. Here we have expect funGetPlatformName, which returns a string. This declaration is placed in the common main Kotlin directory and tells the compiler that you expect each platform to provide an implementation of this function. The expect keyword is essentially a contract. It says, "I need this function to exist, but each platform will implement it differently." Notice that the expect declaration doesn't include any implementation. It's just the function signature. This allows your common code to call getPlatformName without knowing the specific details of how it's implemented on each platform. Now, for each platform, you provide an actual implementation. On the left, we have the JVM implementation where actual funGetPlatformName returns the string JVM. In the middle, the JavaScript implementation returns JS. And on the right, the native implementation returns native. Each of these implementations is placed in its respective platform-specific source set. The actual keyword tells the compiler that this is the concrete implementation for the expect declaration we defined earlier. When your code is compiled for a specific platform, the compiler matches the expect declaration with the corresponding actual implementation, creating a seamless experience where your common code can access platform-specific functionality. Let's review the key benefits of using Kotlin Multiplatform. First, you can maximize code reuse across platforms. By sharing business logic, data models, and algorithms, you eliminate the need to write and maintain the same code multiple times. Second, you get faster development cycles. When you only need to implement core functionality once, you can iterate more quickly and deliver features faster. Third, you establish a single source of truth for your business logic. This means fewer bugs and inconsistencies between platforms. And fourth, you still have full access to native platform APIs. Unlike some cross-platform solutions that limit your access to platform features, Kotlin Multiplatform gives you the best of both worlds: shared code where it makes sense, and native access when you need it. Now you understand the fundamentals of Kotlin Multiplatform. You can write your business logic once and deploy it across all platforms seamlessly. Whether you're building mobile apps for Android and iOS, web applications, or desktop software, Kotlin Multiplatform provides a powerful, flexible approach to cross-platform development. The combination of shared common code and platform-specific implementations gives you the efficiency of code reuse without sacrificing the power and performance of native development. So start exploring Kotlin Multiplatform today and see how it can transform your development workflow.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.